ReVent, an easy installation for the pro and DIY with sheet lock fast screwless fan mounting. Before beginning installation, make sure the circuit breaker is turned off at the service panel. Unclip the old fan grill and remove. Unplug the motor from the housing and disconnect the electrical. Remove the motor from the fan housing. The damper may be screwed into the housing. If so, remove screw to free damper and pry out with screwdriver. Disconnect the damper from the duct pipe. Use a screwdriver to bend the old fan housing inward. Peel back with wrench if needed to expose the mounting brackets. Pry the fan housing loose from the joist. Remove the old fan. Leave the existing ductwork and wiring in place. Now, on to installing your new ReVent fan. Most ReVent models replace existing models with no cutting. However, a cutting template is included. Remove the damper from housing by sliding it outward. Make sure the damper is in the correct vertical position. Tape the damper to the pipe using duct tape. Raise and rest fan housing in the ceiling. Attach conduit with wiring from control to housing. Reattach the damper to the fan housing. Bend the holding tabs outward. Rest the fan in position. Press the securing tabs against the ceiling. The secure tabs lock the fan into place. Unplug the motor from housing. Unscrew the electrical set screw and remove the electrical enclosure. Reconnect the electrical, matching white to white neutral, black to black power, and ground to green or bare wire. Reinsert the electrical enclosure and tighten with set screw. Reconnect the motor. Attach trim ring. Finish by attaching the Stay Clean shield. Squeeze the mounting springs together and insert them into the slots in the fan housing. ReVent with sheet lock fast screwless fan mounting.